Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. Uh, Thought of posting some video today after the serious fall which happened because of the Russia-Ukraine war. So just thought of updating you how markets can perform in coming days. So we were holding the 200 simple moving average on Nifty all these days. Despite all the fall, we have not broken that particular level and we were holding above it. This maroon line is the 200 simple moving average. I have opened the Nifty charts, spot, 200 moving average and drawn 3 to 4 lines over here. So now, before going in detail, I will just explain what we can expect in coming days. So before going to that, uh, today's calls, only few calls went on well. The remaining calls which we worked on has gone for a toss. It happens sometimes, but today was a very unfortunate day, wherein no recovery has sustained. We expected a 150-point recovery in Nifty and 400-point recovery kind of stuff in Bank Nifty. Nifty almost done it, but Bank Nifty stopped at 200 points itself. Beyond that, it hasn't moved. So because of that, our Bank Nifty calls has gone for a toss, and Nifty calls a few has delivered returns, but the remaining thing haven't delivered decent returns. But utilizing this opportunity, we have taken some golden eggs for next series and keeping on holding on them. Let's hope that it will perform in the coming series. So now coming into markets for next couple of days maybe. Okay. Today is a one of kind of exception kind of day where it opened way below previous day's closing and then it has been hammered like anything. I would say it has been brutally raped. Okay. That is the kind of thing happened today. Okay. Yesterday's close was 17,063 and today we opened right at 16,574, which is almost 500-point cut from previous day's close. That is a bizarre opening, and then not even a 20, 30, 50-point up move was able to sustain. Only one move of Nifty to made towards maybe 100 or 150-point up move was there, and that too was got it sold into. This maroon line is the 200 moving average. I have drawn two major support areas, and then one important resistance area. Now, since we have closed below 200 moving average on the first day, bulls will try to make an attempt to touch at least this particular level in next 1 or 2 days. That 200 moving average, whatever it may be. As of today, it is 16,888. Probably in next 2 days, bulls will try to touch. I wouldn't say that it will definitely happen. They will try to touch this 200 SMA again. If that happens, and then if we are able to cross about 70, that 200 as simple moving average, we can move on the higher side. Or else, now gates are open for Nifty till 15,500 levels. 15,500 in the sense this particular support zones, 15,513 and then the 15,450 odd levels. That is what I have drawn over here. These are the important supports as of now. In between, we have a minor support, this gap filling area, minor support around 16,147, maybe 16,100 to 16,000 round number. This will act as a immediate support. If there is any breach below 16,000 and sustaining for maybe half an hour or so, gates are open for 15,500. So in the coming week, maximum don't try to have index options as positional play. Try to exit intraday itself even with small profits until we get some clear direction. So until we get some clear direction. This particular level is the important level which we are supposed to note. In this particular video, I have not recommended any particular calls for next week or next month. I have just thought of updating you what we can expect in coming days. For all these stuffs to support bulls, Russia needs to stop their activity, or else Ukraine needs to inform upfront saying that they will not join NATO. If any of this is going to happen, then markets will climb on the higher side, or else we will drift slowly down towards 15,500 levels. I will show you one surprising and little bit shocking information. Our markets has closed, and then Singapore Nifty is trading right now. See what is the low of Singapore Nifty. It is a freaky low only, I am damn sure about it, but still this is the low, 15,500. That is the number which I am telling you through charts over here. So like what I said earlier multiple times, any freaky low or freaky high whichever is shown in index or in any of the stocks in futures is supposed to be shown in that particular stock or index's spot in next 6 months time. Since this is index, we can expect that levels in next 3 months time also. That is the historical data which I have experienced multiple times in the past. So until further confirmation comes from bulls, please try to play safe. Everyone would be aware that I am always a bull in markets. Whatever the situation may be, I can try to find out some call options, or I can try to pick stocks whichever has potential to move on the higher side. So in this period, our calls will be less, and whenever I give a call, always try to book profits intraday itself. This is applicable even for my premium members as well. For premium members, they need not worry about it too much. Why? Because I will keep on sending updates to them as and when necessary. But for free group members, you need to play cautious. Even though it is a golden egg or whatever it may be, try to book small profits intraday itself and get out of that particular position. Why? Because the situation is not so good as we expect. They have done drama till last 2 weeks, and today they have created some nonsense. I am saying about Russian people, Russian president. Okay, so play cautious until further update. Probably tomorrow's after tomorrow's market close, I will keep posting another video with the Nifty forecast for upcoming week during the weekend. Have a good day all. It might not be a good day for bulls who have traded on the long side, but still don't lose hopes. Fall in markets are temporary and rise in markets is permanent. Remember these words. Definitely markets will come on the upside over a period of time. But these are the good time for investors who are willing to invest in markets. I have given a list of 10 stocks in our free channel as well as premium group members. Whoever wishes to invest in such stocks, invest in them in those stocks. These stocks have a potential of delivering at least 10 to 12% in next 3 months time. So stay invested with patience in markets so that you may get delivering good returns when the next bull comes into market. Have a good day all. See you all. Bye.